Hello everyone, welcome to the biology classes and biological world with Sarita. In the series of body fluid and circulation, we will continue with our topic plasma. In the last class, we had discussed about the complete flow chart of the blood. That blood has the plasma, then formed element, further categorization of the formed element. Okay. So plasma is main component. It contributes 55% to the blood. Okay. It contributes 55% to the blood. It is the fluid matrix of the blood. What it is? It is the fluid matrix of blood. No doubt the color of blood is red. Of course the color of blood is red, but the color of plasma is straw color. What's the color? Straw color. अब ये straw color को आप थोड़ा सा you can consider it as pale yellow. Okay, mustard pale yellow, that is the straw color. Okay. Important thing is it is non-living substance. Okay, plasma is basically non-living substance. Now what is the composition of the plasma? Yes, of course in the plasma we have RBC, WBC and platelet, but still plasma has its own composition. वो जो fluid matrix plasma ने तैयार की है, ready की है, so that all the components can float on in the plasma, right? It can flow along the flow of the blood. So what's the composition of that? First is 90 to 92% is the contribution of water. From here you can understand that every part of the body has the water, and that's why in every reaction, even internally, we have so many reactions, and most of the reactions are regulated by the water. Water is involved in every activity, and that's why water is the universal solvent. Water is the universal solvent. Here you can see कि plasma के अंदर 90 to 92% तो water ही है. Okay, fine. Then 6 to 8% are the protein. Now which kind of protein? What are that protein? Basically there are three different kinds of protein. One, fibrinogen. If you have bit of idea, you know fibrinogen basically need for blood clotting. Okay, it need for blood clotting, and blood clotting simply means it is a process to prevent the flow of blood in case of any injury, in case of any cut, or in case of any accident. Cut, injury होता तो obviously blood will flow out of the body. That needs to be stopped. Okay, that need to be stopped. So it makes the clot. There are certain factors within the body that become activated. Only factors present in the blood, actually factors present in the blood that activates only during when blood comes in contact with the air. Okay, that time this clotting helps to prevent the flow of excessive blood. So fibrinogen is one of the factors that present in the plasma. Second is globulin. Globulin is also a kind of protein that help in defense mechanism of the body. It is the part of defense of the body, defense system of the body. Then albumin. Albumin regulates or maintain osmotic balance of the body. Osmotic balance means fluid of the body, ions in the fluid of the body, water in the body. Okay, that all is the osmotic balance that is regulated by the albumin. So three type of protein: fibrinogen for blood clotting, globulin for defense system, albumin to maintain the osmotic balance of the body. Fine, 6 to 8% हो गया. अब मेरे पास कितना बचा? आप इसको लगा लो 98% या 90 to 100% हो जाता. फिर भी बिट ऑफ जो 1 to 2% कहीं पे कुछ रह जाता है इस कंपोजिशन में, ठीक है, तो वो क्या आ जाते हैं? मिनरल्स. ठीक है, मिनरल्स लाइक कैल्शियम पॉजिटिव, मैग्नीशियम पॉजिटिव, कार्बोनेट HCO3 नेगेटिव. ठीक है, वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ मिनरल आर present in the plasma. Along with the mineral, it can have glucose, it can have amino acid, okay, it can have the lipids भी हो सकता है इसके अंदर. Okay, so this way there are different kinds of minerals present, glucose, amino acid, lipids present, different kind of the protein are present, water is present, certain other kind of clotting factor. Certain other kind of the clotting factor are also present in the plasma. Fine. So this is all about the plasma. Now one more important thing, if we remove clotting factor from the plasma, if we remove clotting factor from the plasma, ये प्लाज्मा है, प्लाज्मा में से आपने क्लोटिंग फैक्टर हटा दिए, तो the leftover thing is called serum. Okay, this is called serum. So this is important, something important. Let's have a quick revision about the plasma, that it contributes 55% to the blood. It is the fluid matrix of the blood. The color of the plasma is straw color. It is a non-living substance of the blood. Basically, its composition include 90 to 92% of water, 6 to 8% of protein. Mainly 3 type of protein are present: fibrinogen, globulin and albumin. Okay, then certain kind of minerals or we can say electrolytes are present: calcium, magnesium, bicarbonate, potassium, chlorine. Okay, including certain amount of glucose, amino acid, lipids and clotting factor, certain clotting factor. Right? If we remove the clotting factor from the plasma, then it is known as सीरम. तो सीरम की आप डेफिनेशन यहाँ से डिराइव कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट टाइम कहीं पे भी अगर सीरम लिखा हुआ आता है, सीरम के बारे में आपसे पूछा जाता है, तो इट्स सिंपली मीन कि आप प्लाज्मा लो, प्लाज्मा में से क्लोटिंग फैक्टर को निकाल दो, जो भी पीछे आपके पास बचता है वो सीरम होता है. ठीक है. और आपकी बॉडी में अगर कहीं पे कट वगैरह लगा हो तो आपको करंट लग सकता है, तो वो करंट किसकी वजह से लग रहा है? बिकॉज ऑफ दीज काइंड ऑफ द मिनरल, क्योंकि उसके अंदर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आयंस प्रेजेंट है, तो वो एक्सपोजर होता है, करंट के कांटेक्ट में आयंस आते हैं, तो योर बॉडी विल हैव ए शॉक. फाइन. सो होप you understand the topic. Kindly like, subscribe, comment, give your suggestions. Thank you so much. Enjoy the life.